Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change chart style in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for changing the chart style, firstly click on the chart and here you can see the options of chart design. So click on it. So after that you can see chart style options. So here you can select any chart. So when you will click on any chart, you can see chart style is changed. So guys, in this way you can change chart style. So it is the first method. So second method is that again click on the chart and here you can see chart style option. So when you will click on chart style and here you can find a different chart style. So you can select any chart style according to you. So guys, in this way you can change chart style in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.